1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, we follow. 5, 6, 7. We're going to open up the slot, flick and catch with the same hand. 1, bring it forward. 2, over the head, inside turn. 3. So now we're going to be stepping to the side, giving her a misdirection. 5, guys, salsa step. 6, 7. The hand's starting to come over. So now on 1, we're going to step to the other side of the slot, asking with the right hand. 1. On 2, I'm going to hook behind to bring her forward. 2. So we're going back to back on 3. This is an accelerated turn. So now I'm going to be going over the head. 5, and I'm going to be pulling through to prep her on 6, 7. So now on 1, 2, 3, we're going to be giving her a double. So we're going 1, 2, 3. I'm going to follow her on 5, 6, 7. So now we're going to be giving her a walk through 2.5 left. So I'm going to be bringing her forward on 1, 2, over the head on 3. Now I'm going to accelerate over and down, and then do another salsa step. 5, 6, 7. So now I'm going to be giving her 1.5 right. I'm going to open up on 1. I'm going to start pulling on 2 as I turn to the right. 2. Now on 3, I'm going to go over my head and throw it to turn her. 3. Keep following her. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Inside turn. 1, 2, 3. Misdirection. 5. Cross 6. Back 7. Take a step to the right on 1. Give him the hand. Forward on 2. We're going to start the turn on 3, and then we're going to accelerate. So we're going to go cha, cha, cha. Pull into a prep. 6, 7. Now we're going to do a double to the right. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do another walk through 2.5 left. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, cha, cha, cha. 6, 7. 1.5 right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hey guys, this is Valeria from Casa Salsa. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button so you never miss our latest updates. We also have a website. Check it out in the description. The way you can have a live class with us and you will never miss all the exclusive content we have.